Ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, I cannot stand fire drills, and I can't stand it when people mess with fire alarms. Yeah, we are supposed to have fire drills for safety, but when the fire alarms go off, they are so loud. Yes, they need to be loud in order to make sure that people stay safe if there's an actual fire. I get that, but not to the point where it blows out people's eardrums and scares special education students and waste time for no reason, all because it's just a drill. Special education students really need to be taken outside before a fire drill occurs, so the alarm doesn't scare them, because many special education students have a big fear of fire alarms because of the sound. Sometimes the flashing strobe, but mostly the sound. Because the alarm is very loud. Horn strobes are to blame for all of this mess when it comes to fire drills in special education. Horn strobes should have been banned from schools before I even started going to public school, because they have caused serious problems over the years with these drills. And every school should have voice evacuation systems, aka speaker strobes, instead of horn strobes for the fire alarm. Quit pulling the alarm once a month for a drill. And another thing I cannot stand is when people mess with fire alarms. I really hate it when people pull fire alarms for fun, take the alarm off the wall, unscrew the alarm, paint the alarm, take the strobe off the alarm, take the horn off the alarm, disable the horn or strobe on the alarm, adjust the volume, the pattern, candela, or tone on the alarm, cut power to the alarm, smash the alarm. I really hate it when people do that. Remember, if you break the alarm, you are responsible for replacing it. The reason why I really hate it when people mess with fire alarms is because they are putting people's lives in danger. If I am in any building and I see people pull fire alarms for fun and tamper with fire alarm equipment, I will call the police to send them to jail, because what they are doing is illegal. Bye.